Hello and welcome to the VDCI CAD Teacher BIM 201 Intermediate Revit Overview video. This course is a continuation of BIM 101 Introduction to Revit. Our focus for these lessons will be to expand the concepts we have learned in BIM 101 and introduce new topics to enhance your knowledge of Revit and increase your productivity for both two-dimensional drafting and three-dimensional modeling in Revit. The first lesson focuses purely on the concepts needed to create your own Revit families and make modifications to already created content either available in the Imperial Library or downloaded from the internet. In Lesson 2, we dive into the world of schedules in Revit. We will create a few different types of schedules, and while doing so, we'll explore the options that we have available to us for sorting, filtering, organizing, and calculating the different fields within the schedule. In Lesson 3, we will continue to expand our modeling abilities by exploring techniques for creating irregular geometries. And finally, the class closes with an introduction to creating construction details in Revit. During this lesson, multiple techniques will be presented, and the pros and cons of each method will be discussed. For more information regarding BIM 201 Intermediate Revit, or to sign up for an on-site or online class, please go to cadteacher.com.